Hello, Nathaniel Oxford here with a video tutorial on how to play the song Jingle Bells on the trombone. Alright, so for this video you're going to need, number one, your trombone. Or not! Don't stop the video if you don't have your trombone, but eventually you are going to need it. 2/3 of what we're going to do you don't need a trombone for, so keep watching. Secondly, you're going to need the assignment sheet. If you don't have the assignment sheet, you can download it from the link down in the description below. If you can't see it, there's a little more button in the description you might need to click to get down to it. But that'll take you over to the page that has the assignment sheets for all the instruments. And on that assignment sheet are all the note names and slide positions to the song Jingle Bells. So you're going to need that. And thirdly, it's optional, but if you want to read off of the sheet music, you'll need your band sheet music as well. Now, the band sheet music, I kind of think of as an extra step. Personally, as a teacher, I like my students to learn the song. It's more important for them to learn the song at this point in your playing. So if you don't want to use the sheet music, you don't have to. But if you want to start getting really good at reading the notes and recognizing them, I really, really recommend you take your sheet music and you write your note names and your slide positions in, or do one or the other, but alternate them as you do them. That'll really help you subconsciously correspond what you see on the page to what you're going to play on the trombone. So you don't need your sheet music, but if you're willing to do that little bit of extra work, I recommend it. Okay, now that you got those things, the 3 steps we're going to do are we're going to say the note names. No, that's a different step. You could say the note names. That's a 4th step. But we're going to actually say the slide positions because we're going to try to get the song in our arm. So we're going to say the slide positions line by line. Then we're going to go back and we're going to say the slide positions for the whole song with the trombone. Now, if you don't have your trombone, you can still do the slide positions. So that's why I say 2/3 of the steps you can do without the trombone. But if you have it, do the slide positions on your trombone. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 1 1 6 4. And then third, we're going to play it on the trombone. So if you want to just listen to it if you don't have your trombone, when we get to that step, that's fine. That'll get it in your ear and you can see what it looks like, hear what it sounds like, and then think about what that's going to feel like when you do it. All right, so let's get started. First line, and just for my benefit, I like to hear the key. You don't always have to do this when you're practicing, and certainly when you don't have your instrument or you're in a place where you can't play an instrument, then it doesn't really matter. But I like to have that if I can. So here we go. First line, 1 2 1 2. Let's say the slide positions. Go 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 1 1 6 4, and stop. So if at any point in here you want to pause the video and practice something and then restart the video, go right ahead and do that. There might have been a little letter or a little blunder saying the slide positions in that 3rd measure, where especially if you were thinking ahead to the acrobatics of going from 4th position to 1st to low 1st all the way out to 6th, right? Sometimes the trombones gets a little physical, and that can bleed into just saying the numbers for the slide positions. Like if you're doing math, how easy is it to say 4 1 1 6? But if you're thinking about the slide positions on the trombone, 4 1 1 6. You're thinking about more things than just the numbers themselves. So if you need to pause and practice a pattern, go right ahead and do that as we go through it. Second line, here we go. 1 2, ready, go. 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 6 6 4 6 1. All right, stop there. And now the third line. 1 2 1 2, ready, go. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 1 1 6 4. Stop again. Of course, that was the same as the first line. So did it go better for you that time than the first time? Let's go on. Last line. 1 2 1 2. Ready, go. 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 1 1 3 6 1 1 3 6 1 1. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but I made a little blunder in there. If you're just saying the slide positions, it doesn't really matter. 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4. But I was singing the slide positions, and when I got to that second to last measure, I sang the wrong one, didn't I? I went down to a low one instead of to the high one, which is F. So I went 1 1 3 6, and instead of going 1 1 3 6, I went 1 1 3 6 1 1. Oops, that was the wrong one, wasn't it? And sometimes you might do that when you're playing or practicing it. I did it there, so if I were watching this video, I would have paused and gone back and practiced that really quick. Let's do the whole thing, and let's do it on our trombone with the slide positions. Again, if you don't have your trombone, you could still do it with your arm. All right, 1 2 1 2 3 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 1 1 6 4. Keep going. 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 6 6 4 6 1 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 1 1 6 4. 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 1 1 3 6 1 1 3 6 1 1. All right, and that's the whole song. So now, what do we have to do? We have to do it on the trombone. Check your D, find your D. See, even I had to find my D. It's early in the morning. Here we go. 1 2, play the whole thing. Ready? Next line. Third line. Last line. Yeah, so that's Jingle Bells. Think about how did you do? How did it go for you? And think back to any spots that you'd like to practice. Try to isolate them and pick the smallest chunk that you can to practice on. So for me, what happened in there? There was something that happened in there. Oh no, there wasn't. It was. I just remember I was thinking how I was thinking the slide positions as I was doing it. So as you were playing it, were you thinking the slide positions as you were doing it? It's interesting. Yeah. So this, the way this is written out on the assignment sheet, hopefully that'll help you practice having that the F and B flat both written out so that you know which one's low and which one's high. I think we should go back and do the last line just one more time. And so to do that, let's play the whole thing one more time. Here we go. 1 2 1 2 3. All right, that's Jingle Bells.